In 2025, Mitolyn has emerged as a popular weight loss supplement. But what do we really know about its safety and effectiveness? Mitolyn contains a proprietary blend of 6 exotic ingredients, including maqui berry, rhodiola, and hematococcus, each with unique antioxidant properties. Other ingredients like amla, theobroma cacao, and schisandra support mitochondria, digestion, and liver health, according to the manufacturer. While most users report no major side effects, some have experienced mild digestive issues or headaches. Doctors recommend consulting a healthcare professional before use. Mitolyn offers a 90-day money-back guarantee and is manufactured in an FDA-registered facility with GMP quality standards, ensuring safety and transparency. Pricing starts at $79 for a 30-day supply, with discounts available for bulk purchases. Potential customers should weigh the benefits against any reported concerns.